Hi folks, I'm one of the lucky 5 winners of the Seagate contest on Facebook. I just received the drive today. It's a FreeAgent GoFlex ultra portable drive, 500 gig USB 2.0. Comes in a neat box, sturdy, whatever. Let's see what's inside. You'll notice there's no software. I read up on it a little bit that all the software is right on the drive. It comes in a plastic clamshell. You got your cable, you got your drive, and it must just pop apart. Fold it open. It's in plastic. There's the drive, about the size of my hand. Nice and small, easily fits into a laptop case, and a USB connector. And that's it. That's all that's in the box. And that's kind of cool because with the advent of netbooks not having disk drives, this is a perfect accessory for that, so that you can go from your desktop to your netbook and download anything you want to this from a CD or whatever, and it just opens up all kinds of doors. And it's got 3 different cable possibilities. Well, anyway, I just wanted to give you a box opening and say thanks to Seagate for holding an awesome contest, and thank you also for selecting moi. It's well put together. Nice little drive. This is 500 gig, and my 150 gig that I bought just a couple years ago is about this big. It's just a monster compared to this. So I'm stoked. Thank you, Seagate. This is a great new toy. I'm going to go and install it right now and see what I can do with it. Again, this is a FreeAgent GoFlex by Seagate. Be sure to check them out on Facebook. They've got contests occasionally, and people really do win. I'm proof.